It can be quite annoying to dispose of those fallen leaves, right? Especially when leaves fall off their stem every day. It takes hard manual labor just to clean up the leaves that are scattered all over the ground. However, we can't just leave fallen leaves on the environment because those fallen leaves will rot, and thus, those rotten leaves serve as a breeding ground for insects and pests. To clean off those fallen leaves, we humans tend to burn them, which resulted in air pollution, thus releasing bad toxins into the atmosphere that are harmful to humans and other living things. The burning of leaves also contributes to climate change. Instead of burning those leaves or leaving them to rot, why not make a good use of them? By turning these leaves into an opportunity, we can save the environment. We can use them to make environmentally friendly paper bags. We present to you Musaphelium, the eco-friendly paper bag. Just a fun fact, Musaphelium is a combined scientific name of banana and rambutan leaves. The Musaphelium paper bag is an eco-friendly paper bag, has a low cost, can be used as an alternative to plastic bags, and this paper bags can be reusable and recyclable. Musaphelium has a unique characteristic from other existing paper bags. Its unique characteristic is that it is made from the combination of the fibers of the banana leaves and rambutan leaves. Thank you for watching.